Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that so many of us struggle with: pimples. You do everything right, you wash your face, you use the fancy creams, but those pesky breakouts just keep coming back. It's frustrating, right? You see those annoying blackheads on your cheeks, your nose, or even in your ears, and you just want them gone. Well, today we're going to dive deep into why you might still be getting pimples, and most importantly, what you can actually do to achieve that clear, glowing skin you've been dreaming of. So, if you're tired of the endless cycle of breakouts, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the basics. What even are pimples and blackheads? Simply put, a pimple starts when a pore in your skin gets clogged. This clog can be made of excess oil, dead skin cells, and everyday grime. When this clogged pore is open to the air, the gunk inside oxidizes and turns dark, creating a blackhead. If the pore is closed over by skin, it becomes a whitehead. And if bacteria gets into that clogged pore, that's when you get the red, inflamed, sometimes painful pimples we all dread. They can pop up anywhere: your forehead, your chin, your back, even under your arms. It's a common problem, but understanding the cause is the first step to finding a solution. So, why are you still breaking out even though you think you're doing everything right? Let's bust some myths and get to the facts. One of the biggest culprits is using the wrong products for your skin type. If you have oily skin and you're using a heavy oil-based moisturizer, you're basically just adding more fuel to the fire, leading to more clogged pores. On the flip side, if you have dry skin and you're using harsh, drying products meant for oily skin, you can strip your skin of its natural moisture. This causes your skin to panic and produce even more oil to compensate, which, you guessed it, leads to more breakouts. It's a vicious cycle. Knowing your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, combination, or sensitive, is absolutely crucial. Another common mistake is over-exfoliating or over-washing. It sounds counterintuitive, right? You'd think that scrubbing your face more would make it cleaner. But being too aggressive can seriously irritate your skin's protective barrier. When this barrier is damaged, your skin becomes more vulnerable to bacteria and inflammation. Instead of scrubbing your face raw twice a day, try gentle cleansing and limit exfoliation to 2 or 3 times a week. Look for gentle exfoliants, like those containing salicylic acid, which is amazing because it can get deep inside your pores to dissolve the gunk that causes blackheads and pimples, without being overly harsh. Now let's talk about something we've all been tempted to do: popping pimples. We see those videos online, you know the ones, giant blackhead removals, satisfying pops, and it feels like a quick fix. But here's the hard truth: squeezing pimples, especially those deep, under-the-skin ones, is one of the worst things you can do. You're likely pushing the bacteria and inflammation deeper into your skin, which can make the pimple worse, lead to more breakouts nearby, and, worst of all, cause permanent acne scars. Instead of popping, try a spot treatment with ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. Or, even better, use those little hydrocolloid pimple patches. They're like magic. They draw out the pus and oil without you having to touch the pimple at all. Your lifestyle also plays a massive role in the health of your skin. Are you getting enough sleep? Are you stressed out? Both lack of sleep and high stress levels cause your body to produce more cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol can trigger your oil glands to go into overdrive, leading to more breakouts. It's why you might notice more period pimples or breakouts during a stressful week at work or school. Also, let's talk about diet. While the direct link between foods like chocolate and acne is still debated, a diet high in sugar and processed foods can cause inflammation throughout your body, which can definitely show up on your skin. On the other hand, incorporating foods rich in antioxidants, like fruits and vegetables, can help fight inflammation and promote clearer skin. Drinking plenty of water is also key to flushing out toxins and keeping your skin hydrated from the inside out. So, what does a solid, clear skin routine actually look like? It doesn't have to be complicated or involve a dozen expensive products. It's all about consistency and using the right ingredients. Let's build a simple, effective routine. Step 1, morning and night, is to cleanse. Use a gentle cleanser that's right for your skin type to wash away dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping your skin. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, a cleanser with salicylic acid can be a game changer. Step 2 is to treat. This is where you use targeted products. A serum with niacinamide can help regulate oil production and reduce redness. If you're dealing with blackheads and texture, a product with retinol or a gentle chemical exfoliant a few times a week can work wonders by speeding up cell turnover. Step 3 is to moisturize. Yes, even if you have oily skin, a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer, meaning it won't clog your pores, is essential to keep your skin barrier healthy and balanced. If you skip moisturizer, your skin might produce more oil to compensate for the dryness. And the final non-negotiable step for your morning routine is sunscreen. Sun exposure can worsen inflammation and darken acne scars, making them harder to fade. A broad-spectrum SPF of 30 or higher every single day is your best defense. Let's quickly touch on some specific problem areas. Blackheads on the nose are super common because the pores there are naturally larger. Using pore strips can be satisfying, but they often just remove the top layer and don't solve the underlying issue. A better long-term solution is consistent use of salicylic acid or a clay mask to help draw out impurities from deep within the pores. For pimples on your chin or jawline, these can often be linked to hormones. If you notice a pattern, it might be worth chatting with a doctor or a dermatologist. And for body acne, like on your back or chest, make sure you're showering right after a workout and wearing clean, breathable clothes. Remember, achieving clear skin is a marathon, not a sprint. You might not see results overnight. It takes time for your skin to adjust to a new routine and for products to work their magic. Consistency is your best friend. Sticking to your routine day in and day out is what will deliver those long-term results. And please, be kind to yourself. A few pimples don't define you or your beauty. Everyone's skin journey is different. If you're really struggling with persistent or painful acne, there is absolutely no shame in seeking professional help. A dermatologist can offer personalized advice and prescription treatments that can make a world of difference. So, to recap, understand your skin type, be gentle with your cleansing and exfoliation, keep your hands off your face, manage your stress, eat a balanced diet, and stick to a consistent skincare routine with cleansing, treating, moisturizing, and protecting with SPF. It might seem like a lot, but once you get into the habit, it becomes second nature. You have the power to take control of your skin health. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope these tips help you on your journey to clearer, healthier skin. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what your biggest skincare struggle is. I'd love to help. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.